Prime Minister Narendra Modi was felicitated at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting for the success of Operation Sindoor. The NDA meeting there comes a couple of days before the filing of nomination for Vice President's election that begins from the 7th of August. The NDA will have to announce its candidate whose election will be a certainty there due to the alliance's majority in the Electoral College by the 21st of August, the last date of nomination, filing and the monsoon session of Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there given a warm felicitation at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, and for good reasons, of course. The success of Operation Sindoor has been a huge moment for the country, and Prime Minister there felicitated for the same. Remember, it was a high-stakes rescue mission bringing, in fact, Pakistan to its knees. The NDA used this platform to not just thank the Prime Minister but also Project Unity, especially with the Vice President's election just around the corner. Nominations for the same open on the 7th of August, and while the NDA is clearly in pole position, the big question now is who will they name? The announcement is expected before the 21st of August when the nomination close and the monsoon session ends. Prime Minister Narendra Modi felicitated at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting for the success of Operation Sindoor, a calibrated military strike conducted by India on the 7th of May 2025, targeting 9 terrorist camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in response to the deadly terror attack in Pahalgam on the 22nd of April 2025, in which 26 innocent people lost their lives, 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen. The operation viewers specifically targeted infrastructure linked to terrorist groups such as Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba, deliberately avoiding, in fact, Pakistani military or civilian facilities. This is as per the official statements. The operation was widely hailed as decisive, proportionate response that prioritized restraint, precision, and self-reliance in defense tech, reflecting India's evolving counter-terror doctrine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there now felicitated at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting for the success of Operation Sindoor. The NDA meeting comes a couple of days before the filing of nomination for Vice President's election that begins from the 7th of August. Do remember, VP Dhankar Singh very recently resigned. The position is open and the Vice President's election now, nomination for Vice President's election begins from the 7th of August, and the last day of nomination filing is on the 21st of August. In fact, the announcement of the candidate, will be on the 21st of August. It is likely to happen before that, which is also the last date to file nominations. And of course, goes without saying, that also happens to be the day when the monsoon session of Parliament wraps up. Chants of Har Har Mahadev, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there felicitated at the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting for the success of Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister there receiving a warm welcome by his own party members. The BJP there, the NDA also presenting a united front. And this is in fact a warm welcome that was given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the success of Operation Sindoor.